Welcome to the tutorial video of Invoice Generator Spreadsheet for Excel. We will explore the spreadsheet to understand how to make the most of its functionalities. Our Invoice Generator spreadsheet contains 11 tabs: Editable and automated invoice templates, Client List, Product List, Accounts tab, Invoice Generator, 2 invoice templates for printing, and the dashboard. Let's have a look at each of them. Let's start with Editable Invoice Templates. These pages will serve you as a manual invoice template. Feel free to customize all elements, including headers, prices, and quantities as required. The templates are designed to calculate total amounts automatically. They'll be particularly useful when you need to create specific or specialized invoices. Simply double-click the cells that you want to change and write as it needed. Now let's move to Product List page. This is the tab where you will list your products or services. You can add ID, name, category, and price information of your product portfolio. Sales and revenue columns will be calculated automatically as you register new invoices in Invoice Generator page. On top of this page, you will find a currency setting cell. Choose your preferred currency from drop list. When you change currency, all related pages and templates will be adjusted automatically. You will find a table located in this tab, dedicated for product categorization. Name your categories in this table and select from drop list while adding new products. You can use navigation buttons to move easily between pages. Now let's explore Client List tab. This is your master database for your clients. You can add name, address, email, and phone information of your clients in dedicated table. As you enter new clients to this table, related drop lists and charts will be updated. This column will show total number of invoices for each client. Numbers will be calculated automatically as you generate new invoices. Let's move to Accounts page. This is the tab where you will list your bank account information. You can add bank name, account name and number, SWIFT or BIC code, and currency. Simply double-click the cell and write the account information. Related sections and drop lists will be adjusted automatically. Now let's move to Automated Invoice Templates. Automated invoice templates will work together with Product List, Client List, and Accounts page. These templates are designed for increased effectiveness of invoicing process. You will be able to use smart drop lists when creating new invoices. Select the client's name form drop lists. Address, phone, and email data will be automatically updated for selected client. You have the flexibility to choose products or services using drop-down lists within the description section. As you make selections, the corresponding price information will be automatically generated. When you input quantities for selected products, the totals will be calculated for you. When applicable, you can change discount and tax ratio manually. Simply double-click the cell and write the amount. In the Payment Information section, if you have multiple bank accounts, you can easily select the appropriate one from the drop-down list of bank names. This action triggers a dependent drop-down list to populate the account number section, allowing you to choose the required account number. That's all for Automated Invoice Template. Now let's explore Invoice Generator page. This is the Invoice Generator page, your active workspace. You can generate and track your invoices with this page easily. This page will work together with Product List, Client List, and Accounts. Let's explore how you will use it. Each row in this table is representing an invoice. You will add invoice number, client information, issue and due dates, payment account, discount and tax ratio, and products that will be invoiced. You can start generating invoices by adding an invoice number. Simply double-click the cell and write the invoice number. Since each invoice number must be a unique value, you will see an error if you try to input an existing one. This feature will prevent mistakes when entering new data. Use Drop List to select client name in Bill To column. This drop list will include the data, which you already entered in Client page. For issue and payment due dates, simply double-click the cell and write the dates. If payment due date is earlier than the current day, and if payment status is unpaid, payment due cell will be highlighted. It will help you to track overdue invoices. Click the arrow and choose your preferred payment account for the invoice from drop list. For discount and tax information, double-click the cells and write manually. In Status column, choose Payment Progress as paid or unpaid by using drop lists. Now you can start to add products that will be invoiced. You will be able to add up to 10 different products to a single invoice. For each product, you will find 2 columns as ID and quantity. Choose the ID of the product from drop list in ID columns, then write the quantity for selected product. Colored columns will prevent confusion while entering data for the products. Now, you generated an invoice, but you may still need to print it. Use the Print tabs for easily print your generated invoices. You'll discover 2 print tabs, A4 and US letter size. Choose the one that suits your requirements. On these print pages, all you need to do is update the invoice number by double-clicking the cell and entering the number that you want to print. All other details on this page will adjust accordingly. You have the option to print the invoice on paper or save it as a PDF to send electronically. And that's it. Now you are ready to generate and print invoices easily. Now, let's explore the dashboard. In the Dashboard tab, you will see overall status and insights for your invoicing process. On top, you will find smart cards for a quick overview. This card shows total number of invoices that you entered in Invoice Generator tab. This is the total value of your invoices with paid and unpaid amounts. Tax card will show you total tax amount according to tax ratio and total values of each invoice. Sales card shows total number of invoiced products that you entered in Invoice Generator. This table will show the client that you most worked with, your bestseller product, your average discount, and overall payment progress ratio. On bottom side, you will find 3 tables. This is your top 15 clients by number of invoices in descending order. This table will show you your top 15 bestseller products by sales quantity. This table shows your overdue invoices with invoice number, client, due date and amount, and days passed from the payment due date. You will also find smart charts for your income breakdown, payment progress, and top 5 product category by highest revenue. And this is it! Now you are ready to use your ultimate invoice template. If you have any questions, just send us a message from the link in descriptions. The product link can also be found in the descriptions below. Many thanks for watching.